Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, in this section we shall discuss about construction 3, that is how to construct a quadrilateral if two adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. So let us construct this quadrilateral with the given data. So let us start our construction. When two adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Example 3. Construct a quadrilateral MIST where MI is 3.5 cm, IS is equal to 6.5 cm, angle AM is equal to 75 degree, angle I is equal to 105 degree, and angle S is equal to 120 degree. So first you have to write the given parts like this. So then by using this given statement you have to draw a rough sketch. So this is the rough sketch of the quadrilateral MIST. So where MI has marked as 3.5 cm. You have to mark the measurements in the rough sketch so that you can easily verify which construction I will do. So this is here MI is 3.5 cm, SI is 6.5 cm, here angle AM is 75 degree, angle I is 105 degree, and here angle S is 120 degree. So here next steps of construction. First you have to decide which side you will take as base and you will construct it first. So either you can take MI as the base and or you can take SI as the base. So here I am taking MI 3.5 cm as the base. So first step is draw a line segment MI is equal to 3.5 cm as base. So first step is draw a line segment MI 3.5 cm. So this is 3.5 cm. So this is MI 3.5 cm. So next step is at point M. At point M, draw an angle XMI is equal to 75 degree. So that means at point M, we have to draw an angle of 75 degree. So all of you know how to draw the angle 75 degree by using your compass and ruler. Compass and ruler, you have to construct the angle 75 degree. So this is 60 degree and this is 120 degree. Then you have to draw 90 degree. So bisecting 60 to 120. So you will get 30 degree. So 60 plus 30 degree, you will get 90 degree. So this is our 90 degree. So first you have to draw 90 degree like this. Then you will bisect this part. So that we will get 15 degree. So 60 plus 15 we will get 75 degree. So here we get that is 75 degree. So this is draw XMI. So this is XMI is 75 degree. Then next is at point I, draw YIM is equal to 105 degree. That means at point I, we have to draw an angle of 105. So for 105, you have to draw first 90 degree. So the same procedure, 90 degree. First you have to draw 90 degree. So then you bisect. So we got 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. Again you next bisect 90 and 120. In between 90 and 120. So the gap is 30 degree. So if we will bisect it, then we will get 15 degree. Then 90 plus 15, then it will be 105 degree. So here we got 105 degree. So let this is y. So YIM is equal to 105 degree. Then step 3. Taking I as center and 6.5 centimeter as radius, draw an arc. So here taking I as center and 6.5 centimeter as radius. So by using compass you have to take 6.5 centimeter as radius. So this is 6.5 centimeter as radius. So here from taking I as center, draw an arc. And that arc will intersect our IY ray at a point. That point is our S. Then here from rough figure you observe angle S is 120 degree. So next step, at point S, draw ZSI is 120 degree. So here at point S, we have to draw an angle of 120 degree. So like this you can draw 120 degree. So this is 60 and this is 120. So so this is Z. So ZSI is 120 degree. So again step 5, the ray SZ ray and MX ray will intersect at a point. That point is our T. So this point is T. So MIST is our required quadrilateral. MIST is our required quadrilateral. So in this way you can construct quadrilateral if two adjacent sides and 3 angles are given.